To start off this meditation, I invite you to close your eyes. Settle into your body in a comfortable position, setting the arms down in your lap or perhaps holding them at heart center, our center for love and for gratitude. While you start to go within yourself, I'd like you to think of 3 things that you are grateful for today. 3 reasons for you to be happy today. It could be as simple as, I have a roof over my head. I have food in my fridge and clothes on my body. Any reason you have to be grateful, just bring it to mind. Feeling gratitude for this gift, feeling joy for this gift. You might envision a warm yellow light, a bubble of positive energy encompassing your entire body. Welcome this positive energy into your being. It is so very important that we don't forget the small things in life that bring us joy, happiness, and positivity. We can often get caught up in the bigger picture or too focused on the things we don't have. One way we can overcome these slumps of negative thinking is through positive affirmations. While still imagining that warm yellow light filling up your entire body, I invite you to repeat the following affirmations with me. Today, I welcome positive energy into my life. Today, I see the bright side in every situation. Today, I will accomplish the things I have set out to do. Today, I am doing what I can to bring myself closer to my goals. Today, I will not let the small things get to me. Today, I will cherish the gifts I have been given. Today will be a good day. Today, I will look at the glass half full. Today, I am a positive-minded person. I am able to make the best out of a bad situation. I can handle myself in both good and bad circumstances. I have an abundance of resources at my disposal. I am supported and loved by my friends and family. I am on the right track for my life. I am a good and positive person. I am a good and positive person. Wonderful. Let's start to come back to our bodies now. Making small movements with the toes and the fingers, perhaps moving our facial muscles. Eventually opening our eyes and allowing the scenes from our surroundings to re-enter our perception. Taking notice of how we feel now, mentally and emotionally. Let's take a deep breath in energizing our system, and release it all out through the mouth. I want to leave you with one final thought to conclude this meditation. Believe that you are a positive person and you will become one. Namaste.